Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sliding shower chair. These chairs are fantastic tools designed to significantly improve your safety and comfort during bathing. We'll cover everything from initial setup to safe transfers. First, let's talk about positioning. Place one end of the chair outside your shower and the other end inside. Make sure it's perfectly stable and all locking mechanisms are engaged before you do anything else. Now, let's focus on getting onto the chair safely. Begin by sitting on the chair seat while it is still completely outside the shower enclosure. If you have grab bars installed, definitely use them for extra support and stability. Take your time, ensuring your weight is evenly distributed across the seat. This careful approach helps prevent any slips or falls as you prepare to enter the shower. Once you're comfortably seated, it's time to slide into the shower. Gently push or pull the chair along its rails, guiding it smoothly into the shower space. Keep your body centered and maintain a steady, controlled posture throughout this movement. When the chair is fully inside the shower, remember to engage any wheel locks or securing mechanisms to prevent accidental movement while you bathe. This ensures maximum stability. After your shower, simply unlock the chair and gently slide it back out of the shower enclosure. Once the chair is completely outside, you can carefully stand up, using any available grab bars for support. To keep your chair in excellent condition and ensure hygiene, clean it regularly with mild soap and water. This simple maintenance will help your sliding shower chair serve you safely for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.